Good morning, beautiful. How are you? I am currently on my way to a client to glam her. I haven't vlogged in a while. Carlton, my dog, is over. I'm babysitting him today. I feel like I always vlog when he's there. It just puts me in a better mood, I think. I'm inspired today because I feel like days where I work on my craft and then have something to prepare for, that gets me excited and I feel like it's fun to share. So after the job today, I'm gonna be prepping for a girls' night tomorrow, and I'm still kind of planning it. You can watch as I plan. I have been craving a girls' night for so long. And the fact that I have my own place now, I feel like I haven't hosted much, and that's something I really do enjoy doing. But I kind of just want to have a creative night with my friends. I'm gonna provide paints because I haven't painted in a while, and I extended that invitation to my friends and they're all down. I think we're going to make our own pizzas. That's kind of the idea. Ooh, look at my hat. This past weekend, I got this hat at a Raw Artist Showcase. Monica was featured, kind of like a concert venue, and you just walk around and there's different vendors and like people showcasing their art, or they have stuff for sale. So this person had their hats for sale, and I will put their info here and in the description. And it was just cool to be surrounded by all that beautiful art and creative energy. Going to things like that, if you're an artist or even if you're not, just going to things that involve art, they help you become more creative and more inspired in your everyday life. Even if it's just like looking at a painting that has a beautiful, strong woman in it, just seeing that and being exposed to that, your mind starts to think about other things that you wouldn't necessarily think of if you weren't looking at something beautiful, especially if you're falling into a negative mindset. Like, surround yourself with art, nature, all that stuff, and it just puts you in a better mood. Even just the stimulation of colors, that is correlated with mood. So just an idea for today. Anyways, I will check back with you later after I'm done with my job, and we'll see where the day takes us. Woo! Hi. Humid day today, let me tell you. Just got done with my beautiful bride. I left my phone in my trunk. Be right back. We need that GPS, you know? I'll be getting home around 11:30. When I get home, I'm actually gonna prepare a butternut squash soup. I totally forgot because I don't want the butternut squash to go bad. I hope it didn't yet because it's been like a week and it's organic. That ish likes to rot. Organic likes to rot really fast. So let's do it. Yeah. How cute is Carlton? I'm home now. Drew isn't feeling well, so he's sleeping or napping. I'm gonna make butternut squash soup in the slow cooker. I just have to remember the recipe, so I'm gonna go get my iPad. Epic fail. My butternut squash is like rotting. I'm so sad. But this recipe is so good. Ew. I don't know if you could see it, but it's not living its best life right now. Oh! I don't like wasting. Okay, well, that's sad. Never mind. Alright, we're not cooking, but I'm gonna make my grocery list for later. And I'm gonna look on Pinterest for some fun things that I could do tomorrow. I'm feeling like popcorn is a must. I am only having 4 or 5 girls over. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. I don't know about you, but like the last party I had that I threw, I went all out. I had all these desserts. I'm like, nobody ate them. And I don't like wasting food, as we know, but you know, obviously it happens. But I'm thinking to just get like a little sweet treat, a little savory treat, and then dinner. I think we're gonna do a make your own pizza. Pinterest is incredible. I kind of have an idea, but I feel like I get more inspired when I'm in the store and I see things. I'm having trouble figuring out where I should set up the table because I know we're gonna be painting, so I don't know if it's easier to just do it when everybody gets there and see what the vibe is, or if I should do it like where my bar stools are, like on the island area. Like here, have some girls here, and then we could all be around, or if I should make it on the coffee table, if I should set up a table. I could put cushions on the ground. I don't know. Look at this dog. Oh my god. Yeah, that's where I'm at right now, and I think, see, Alyssa's meeting me to go food shopping and stuff. She's gonna be getting her car at 1 o'clock, but I might run to the store just to see if there's any extra paints or canvases I need to get. So let me just check out what I have. Okay, so I have some. I think that's actually enough. I might not even need to go and buy any. I do have this like folding table. It's already like crowded in here, so I'm gonna try to optimize the space. This could work. Doesn't look that pretty, but I can make it pretty. I usually put that table over there, but we didn't have the recliner before, and I feel like now it's summer and we need the air on, so I don't want to put the table over that thing. We'll figure it out. This is a life hack, but I found a shower curtain at Bed Bath & Beyond on the clearance for $5, and I was like, this is so good to paint on as a tablecloth. Hello, always shop the clearance. I have some paints in our hall closet and some supplies here. Took quite some time rearranging all this furniture, pushing it more towards that wall, and I actually like it better. Like for everyday living, to have everything a little bit closer. It kind of opens the space a little bit. Hi Carlton. Got this table up. I think that looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna go out and get some new paintbrushes because, well, a lot of them have like glitter stuck to them. And then I think I have enough paint. I have the primary colors. You can make any color you want to with the primaries, so I think we're okay on paints. If I see anything else, then I'll pick that up. And then canvases too, I have to get some because these 4 have damages to them, which you could still make art out of them, but these got damaged when I moved, so these are the only 1, 2, 3. There's only 5 fresh ones, so I want to get some different sizes for the girls. Well, I fell asleep. I just took such a long nap. It's almost 4 o'clock now. I'm gonna go take this one outside. He's dying to go out. Alyssa's getting her new car, so she was gonna text me when she's done, so I assume that she's still there. But I feel like I need a coffee or something. I'm so tired today. Someone was a very good boy on his walk. Yes, you were. I stopped off at the mailroom and I was greeted with an Amazon package. So I don't even remember what I ordered. This will be fun. One of those late night purchases. Oh yeah! This is the purple shampoo that I use called Surface. So it tones your hair. I ran out of it, so I rebought it. And I love this one specifically. 1, it gives a great tone, but 2, it's sulfate free and it gives a nice lather. Like a lot of sulfate frees, they don't lather well. I feel like I ordered a few things, but these 2 came together. So I got these Rock Daily Resurfacing discs because I was just looking for something online that's like a cleansing pad. I'm excited to try these. It seemed like all of the cleansing pads that were on the market were dedicated towards acne, and I don't have acne, so this one says gentle enough for everyday use. Self-foaming dual textured disc. Pretty large size, so I am excited. If you've ever used this, let me know. I feel like I haven't seen this brand in the store in a while, so is it discontinued? I don't know. Time has come. We're going to Michael's. Such a bad vlogger. I have to remember to film. I'm like, oh, canvases. Okay, good, we need those. Do you think I should get the big ones?
We always want big, never small.
No, Right, okay, let's do this. Ooh, look, little cart. What? No, we want the big one. Big. But they don't have that, so we'll settle for this one. Oh, yeah. Oh, right.
We also never settled, but I guess we will.
Look at this decor though. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait, Alyssa, look at this.
I made a pact with Cynthia. Also, I maxed out my credit card at the dealership today, so we're also just not gonna do that.
She's like, I don't want to spend money. Flash forward to what we buy. Prosecco bar, are we kidding? That's so cute. Chocolat. Oh my god, 14 roux, but it's not spelled the same. This dang. Okay, get your ish together, Sam. Loved you yesterday, love you still. Love you have. Oh, still. What the heck? Love you.
Love you, yeah. Loved you yesterday. Love you still. Always have, always will.
Right. Can I vlog and read? No. Fun fact. Oh, I love this.
Here we go.
I think I'm gonna need your help in this situation. She just
Help vlogging or help with that? I'm just kidding.
That's somebody else's fault.
I got gum in my mouth, that's why I'm talking like that.
Alright, let go.
We don't want to manifest lawsuits today.
I love this. Love one another. I mean, where would I put this?
40%.
No, it's 40%
Oh,
off.
beautiful. Okay. Hi guys, Makeup Artist Cyos here. Today we're walking around Michael's, getting some decor. Sam is hosting a girls' night, so she wants like cute decor and stuff like that. And then we're also gonna make our own pizzas, like personal pan pizzas, per Alyssa's idea, because I know I'm just a freaking genius. Like, go subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.
Thanks for my TED Talk.
That's my TED Talk. Okay, bye.
Like and subscribe. She needs a few more followers, so go help her sister out. Okay, this is cute. We're getting that. Brushes. Okay. What kind do we want to get here? This one's 10 bucks. I think that's kind of what I bought already. Success. Okay, next shop. Next stop.
Next shop is
next
shop,
shop,
right.
shop right.
Next shop is stop right.
And we have a total of $111. I'll show you what I got from the grocery store so that when it's set up in the next vlog, you could see like how it all came together. I got classic chips, classic popcorn, the stuff to make the pizza dough. I got these flatbread crackers because we're gonna put it, hi baby, with some brie and fig. And then I got these Smirnoff variety pack, salsa, Greek yogurt for the pizzas, cheese for the pizzas. There's cookie dough somewhere in here, and grapes, because if you saw Alyssa's vlog about the grapes and the cheese, it's kind of like a thing, but obviously grapes go with wine and cheese and stuff, but we kind of just, we thought it was funny. And then Michael's, I got this vintage decor, so I'm gonna give the girls a little like candy jar to take home and a little journal and little bracelet. And then this is just decor that says love one another, be kind, and that's all from Michael's. I'm gonna make it cute tomorrow. Got a few new brushes here. Took out some of the ones that are gross and chunky. Palettes, and got a nice array of canvases. Come here. Come here. Beagle just went for his walk. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. And I'm just here chilling by myself. I need to eat dinner, and I think that's going to be it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for following me around. Thanks for being here with me today. Make sure you subscribe so that you see next week's or next vlog where I set everything up and we actually have the girls' night. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.